Army, welcome back to my channel. If you are a part of the Army, make sure you're subscribing and liking this video right now. And if you're not a part of the Army, welcome. So today's video is gonna be a little crazy and a little weird. I'm gonna be looking into my skin with a microscope. Like, that's actually disgusting. And I don't know how I feel about it, but I'm like ready to see what's on my skin. A lot of you guys loved my video when I shaved my face, and I'm gonna be doing that again, but this time to start, I'm gonna be looking at what's actually on my skin. So when I shaved my skin, I only seen the surface of things. I've only seen the surface of things. I've seen like hairs coming up, but like if you're looking right now, does it look like any hairs on my face? No, it doesn't. So I wanted to use a microscope, and I'm gonna like really zoom in on my skin. Okay, so disclaimer, if you guys are looking at this burn mark, if you follow me on Instagram, then you know where this came from. I had my natural hair out and I was curling it, and literally I burnt the crap out of myself. Like it was way worse than this, and I've been like hiding it, but I can't hide it anymore. I can't hide it from you guys. You guys are like dragging me like, where are the videos, this and that. You guys are just gonna have to deal with it, okay? It happens to us all with this curling iron. And also, if you kind of hear an echo, then just know that I have a whole new setup. Most of you know I moved to Los Angeles recently, and I've been like trying to figure out my setup of how I want my lights, and I'm really liking the way this looks right now. So I haven't got a mic yet, so just bear with me with the echo. But yeah, I am ready to get into this. Oh my god, I'm actually really scared and really like disgusted already. So I bought this microscope on Amazon. I'm gonna link it below. I don't want to talk too much, but I'm gonna just do a little quick unboxing. This is how it looks. It comes with instructions on how to set up. This is literally the microscope. So I have one of these back in New York, and I use it a lot. Like when I first got it, me and my whole family was using it, and we was just like, and it was just so disgusting. I'm like, okay, it's time to do a video. I tried to do one before and the footage got deleted, but I'm doing it all over. So I'm going to set this up and we're gonna get into the video. So I'm setting this microscope up. Oh my god, the light is on. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay, you can see it. The light is on because I plugged it up into my computer. That's how I'm gonna be working it. So are you guys ready? Okay, so before we do this video, I'm gonna put my hair back, and oh my god, okay. It's on. Okay, so before we do this video, I'm gonna pull my hair back. Well, I was gonna put on this headband, but I think I'm just gonna pull it back with this hair tie thing, this little hair clip. I kind of want to look over in here, you know? Okay, also you guys, I did my eyebrows this morning and I did not finish them because I was supposed to be going somewhere, but I honestly just filled them in. So I'm gonna be looking into my eyebrows and seeing how that product looks up close. And I left it on just for you guys because I want you guys to see it as well. And yeah, let's look. Okay, so my computer is on and the microscope is on, if you can see it moving. So are you ready? How do I do this? Hold on. I think that's how you do it. Okay, yeah, that's how you do it. All right, so you ready? This is honestly gonna be so disgusting, and I just know it already. I just know it. Okay, I don't know if I'm ready for you guys to see me this close and personal. Like, am I ready for this? All right, I'm gonna start over here and work my way up. All right, so with this thing, you gotta like zoom it in and zoom it out. Oh my. Look at all that hair, you guys. Look at all that hair on my face. Okay, there's a dry spot right here. Can you guys see that? Let's look at it. Is that it? You guys, do you see that? Okay, so I have really dry skin. And when I say I have dry skin, I actually mean it. Like sometimes it's really just like dry for no reason. There's a lot of hair. A lot. Look at that hair. Oh That's like embedded in my skin. That's a beauty mark. Warning, if you have problems with this, please do not watch, please. Okay, that's a birthmark, right? Is that a birthmark? Bruh, that's a pimple. Oh. That's a pimple with it. Oh my God. Let's look under my chin. Okay, there's a lot of hair under my chin. I'm growing a beard. Okay, that's a beauty mark. My chin was really dry this morning, you guys. I was at breakfast downstairs. I came back upstairs and it was like dry patches. And I'm like, wow, everybody's looking at me like this morning, and I thought I moisturized my skin. Okay, you guys, I have a really bad mustache that I haven't shaved in so long. Look. It's no joke. Oh my God. Oh my God, my mustache is thick as hell. It's probably bigger than Menelik's. Menelik will probably throw up from this. Look, mad dry skin. I have to get this. Hold on. I am back with these tweezers. So I actually didn't get a skincare, like one of those like things that you like push the, what am I trying to say? I'm gonna use these tweezers. That's what I'm saying. Oh my God. Okay. That's mad lip gloss. That's mad lip gloss, you guys. Mad lip gloss. So I'm looking in my nose area, and I'm actually, my editor is gonna be like, you disgusting biatch when he edits this video. Wait, time out, because how I had that, what is going on? How do I have that many blackheads? I think it's really important. Oh my God. Okay, let's get into the eye. Okay, I get really dry over here. It's a lot of hair, so I have a unibrow. Okay, let's get into my eyebrow. So like I said, I did put product on my eyebrow. So let's see how it looks. That is so disgusting. Now that is gross. Let's see, like, look, you guys. Oh. Doesn't that look like it hurts? Oh, let's look at my my bruise. Okay, doesn't look like anything. Just looks like a lot of dark skin, bruised skin. Oh, some dry skin. Okay. Hold on. Oh. You guys, I cannot believe this right now. I'm actually shocked. I didn't expect to have that many whiteheads or blackheads or whatever. Let's look at my lace. look at my leg. Look at the glue. Look at the bleached knots. Okay, that's okay. That is gross. Wow. Okay, that's disgusting. Like, I don't even want to look in there. I don't even want to look. like, oh, this is so disgusting. All right, so it's obvious I'm gonna need a really good facial. So let's get into the facial. So first things first, I'm gonna do this, and I'm going to put this on my nose for a little bit, and I'm gonna come back to it and we're gonna peel it off with the microscope. Okay guys, so I've been sitting with this nose mask on for about 10 minutes now, and I'm gonna peel it off with the microscope. So let's get to it. All right, are you guys ready? This is gonna hurt, and I know it. Like I'm not ready. Okay. Oh why did I do this? This hurts. You guys, I'm tearing up already. Okay. Oh my God. Okay, this is not from me. This is obviously from the mask. So please, okay? What is that thing? Is that skin? Is that skin on there? You guys. Do you guys see all that skin on there? Bitch. Oh my God. This is not a joke. This mask. Oh my God, you guys, I cannot do this anymore. Literally, I can't do this. I have to take this off. Whew. Okay, you guys, I had to take that off without you guys because it hurt so bad. These things are no joke, but one thing I can say about them is they actually really do take up the dead skin. So obviously there's some dead skin up here, so I'm gonna give myself a facial and I'm gonna shave my face. So let's get to it. today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. My face feels so baby smooth and soft. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference, but when I first started this video, my face was dry, and now it feels so soft. And I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you was grossed out, I'm sorry, but some people really do like these videos on YouTube, and they really loved my face shaving video. So thank you guys for watching. I love you guys, and make sure you are subscribing so that you can stay up to date with all my new videos. I'm going to be posting a lot this coming month. I haven't posted in a while, and I'm ready to get back to posting. So I'll see you guys in the next video.